Good morning, viewers. I'm back down on the castle run. I'm just having a little go in the pond where the swan nest is, which is over there. There's nobody here, so I'm just going to have a little go. I've got my mate with me today. He's already found a 5p. I put it on my magnet, but then I couldn't get it off. And I've already found a fishing chair and some sort of fishing equipment. I'll show you in a sec. So we found this just in the bush, and a fishing chair just in the bush.
It will be magnetic, won't it? Because it's got metal bits in the actual rubber of the tyre on it.
Yeah. Something round down here, what could be magnetic, but it might just be a tyre. Hold on a sec. So whatever this is down here, it's not a tyre. That is a barrel.
Big half barrel.
And the magnet is just slipping up the side of it. I'm not going to try and get that out because it's all slimy and magnet can't even grip it. So we'll just have a throw in the river. Well, not the river, this is the pond. Nothing on there apart from the 5p still. Oh, I've just dropped it. Oh well. I want to go to another place now. Well, just checking to see if you're recording. I've been in this little pond for about 20 minutes and I've only pulled out that. Just a nail and a piece of wood. So I'm going to go back on the river. I'll see you in a sec. So we're at the walkway bridges where I came to the other day. My mate's down there on this side, so I'm gonna go over here on the other side, see if I can get down. Bear in mind we're still in front at Castle. These are bridges behind the train station in Conisborough. That's quite mad. Obviously it's a draining system. I've never seen one like that before. JCB oil filter. And it sounds like John's found something. I'm coming! Hey?
Big ass fish just come up over there. You know where that tree is?
Yeah?
Big ass fucking fish. And that's sparkling because you throwing something.
No? Look at that what I found.
Oh, fucking...
Oil filter.
Yeah, it's nice, sort of like a JTB, isn't it?
Sick. So I thought John found something big then, but he nearly lost his watch. That's quite cool, that. I think I'm going to keep that. Someone's had a little fire there, look. Let's go down here. Not as close as I wanted to be to this bridge, but first of all, I don't know whether that's some chain or something in the water there. Let's have a look. Nope, no chain. Got a little bit of square pipe. Let's get down a bit more. I've got my boots on today. Nope. Right, let's go down here. Right then, we'll get you set up. Let's go. I think that's a zip. I ain't got much room behind me to swing this today. I'm out with a 200 kilogram magnet, what I purchased from Direct Sunglasses UK from eBay. 47 quid altogether, including postage and packaging. Someone's dog there after me JCB thing. Ooh, piece of candy. Some sort of handle. be off. You alright, mate? Hey? Just metal. It's a magnet on the end of it.
Oh, is it? Yeah, I just got that.
Yeah, I found that on bank up there. Just got that little handle and that square piece of pole there. Just check there's no water on the screen. Yes, there is. Should be alright now. I think it latched onto something there because I seen bubbles coming up. Nothing on that one that time. Bloody water. Found out good yet, John? Nope. A dead fish? Some sort of, I don't know what that could be. I know it's not some sort of hair clip or something because it's too heavy. That's sort of the creatures what are in here, look. Nothing else on it. Let's give you a wipe. I have bought a tripod for this camera as well, this GoPro. So I might start and come out with that as well, because when it's on my chest, just keep getting splashes of water in front of it. Nothing on that time. Nothing on it that time. definitely something there. Some sort of metal bar. Yuck. Water in my mouth then. It's quite deep there, I must say. All the same, hoping to find something what someone must have hoping to find something what someone might have thrown off the bridge. See, the first few times I started making videos, I was finding things all the time. And then when I've moved from the spot, what I normally go to, I hardly find anything. But it's the luck of the draw, you see. It's the luck of the draw. Nice slip there. Picked my zip back up. I don't know. Slipped on that big rock there, look. Nothing on that time. I wondered where the fucking hell you'd gone then. Not sure if there's something on the end of it. Yep. It's a long piece of whatever it is. Some fishing line here connected to some little bolts.
Bolts?
They must have used it as a sinker.
Pollock's have been on that mate.
Have you? That feels like it's stuck. I don't know what the goddamn I'm standing on here. There we go. I've got it. Yeah. Yeah. Well, there was nothing on there, but it was certainly stuck. What that one is? Yeah. Not really. Looks like another scaffolding bar to me. Right, I dry my hands off, scout about for another little spot. So here's what I got from this little spot. I'm going to take that JCB home with me. So let's just have a look round now. Might venture on down there. I might even dangle my rope if it'll reach off this bridge. So I'll see you in a sec. Right, I'm back underneath this bridge. I've been throwing it in. Someone's threw the bike back in there, what I got the other day. I found that little bit of metal what's on the floor there. There's some sort of band. And I've just dragged this, so I sort of thought I'd start recording. Some sort of bag down there with some metal in it. You can hear it all rattling around. I don't know.
more scaffolding poles or materials.
A bag full of them. It is, I know. So this is what's in the bag. More scaffolding stuff. I don't know what that says. Lin Don, or whatever that means. Scaffold, do not whatever. Mad. All that has just come out of that bag. Sweet. Sweet as a nut. So yeah, I'm back down here where I found the bike the other day. Someone's thrown it back in the water. Thought that was a bag of goodies then. I can see all the bits of scaffolding, what's come out of the bag down there. Yeah, it'd be good for boxing bags then. Big massive bolt with another bolt attached. Yeah, or out of this bridge. You know when they've been building it and dropping them. Just wipe the water off. A magneto and a big bolt. It's a big ass bolt. Nothing on there. I'm trying my best to throw it in and not get no water on the camera. I'm trying to figure out the best way. Feels like there's something over there. Let's come off. Some magnetic rock, a nail which is very sharp, some more magnetic rocks, I wonder what that scaffolder thought when he dropped a big bag of scaffolding parts in the river. See that rock down there? That's magnetic as well. Some more. And then pieces of metal I keep finding. Look how sharp that is. Put it on the pile. That might be, I don't know if copper's magnetic, but I know you can get homemade copper nails from back in the day. Some more wire. Another little nail. John's found a fence. There's another bag down there as well, look. Let's see if there's out in it. There is as well. Go. Another mystery bag. Holy moly. So this bag, all these came out of it, and then the second bag, all them came out of it. Jesus. Must be a lucrative business, this scaffolding malarkey, I'll tell you. My mate's a scaffolder, so I'll take a few pictures of these, tell him where they are, and he can come and pick them up. In she goes again. Nothing on there. A nail on there. Let's have a try in the old centre part. I thought it had. I'll just give you a wipe. It's on summit. He's dragging it. Scaffolding pole. All my tie wraps have come off my rope now. Just give me a second. I'll just tie a quick knot in it all. I'll sort it out when I get home. It's just a little sort of quick fix. Another scaffolding pole. Another scaffolding pole and a scaffolding bracket. Now there's an experiment for you. Right, I'm going to give my rope a little wash, and then I'm going to move further down there. So I'll check you in a sec. Found another little fishing pod here. I hope it's safe. Yep. What a lovely day. I think this is going to be my last point today, because it's getting on now. I'm wet, I'm cold, I'm hungry. I've got to go get kids soon. So here she blows. Nope. I might go out later tonight and try the other spot where I found the gun. It's the rusty bolt and a piece of iron. For all you train lovers, a quarter of a bike wheel, and that looks like an old wheel. That looks like an old wheel. Spokes are proper thick. There's spokes on that. Alright. Let's cover the screen up. Still wants a wipe. Couple more throws and then I'll call it a day. I was buzzing about them two mystery sacks. I wondered what they contained, but when I got the first one out, it was obvious what the second one were going to have in it. It's a bit of metal stone, that. Just all the silty stuff. Wash off. Excuse me. Oh, got a hole. Now I'm sure that would have been a motorbike wheel. Motorbike wheel. So where's the rest of it? And yet again, whoops, it fell back in water. Yet again, oh, I wonder what that could be. Some sort of flap for something. I don't know. Mad that. Let's get that wheel back out. Yep, motorbike wheel. You never know, they just might have thrown the wheel in there. Always on the last throw again. You can see all the tree roots down there as well from that tree. Oh, what's that? Ah, I think that's an old stopcock wheel. Oh, it might be the inside of the motorbike wheel, actually. A sharp bit of metal still on it. Looks like one of the spokes. Mud. Right, I'm just going to cover the lens this time. Hang on. There we go. Mr. Sunshine's coming out now, it hasn't been out all morning. Saying that, it's not morning anymore. But 12:30. Another bolt. No, nothing on that side either, apart from more mud. One last throw and then that'll be it today, I think, guys. nothing on there, still salt and slime. Right, so I'm going to gnash off now. Let's get this wipe. So I'm going to gnash off now, and hope you like today's video. Found these from this little location here. Half a bike wheel, motorbike wheel. I don't know what this is, just some sort of plaque of something. And a push bike wheel, what looked pretty old, what I threw up there. So if you like today's video, hit the like button. If you don't, peace. Motorbike there, what John's found. I was going to pack it in, but then I found this. Some sort of air compressing tool or something daft, I don't know. So that's like the first thing I've caught on this little bit. I've had like 20 throws and that's the only thing I got. That's why I didn't record. I'm going to move on from this little spot now. There's another find I've just had. I'm back on the concrete thing. I thought, why go home yet? So it just means my video is going to be twice as long. Oh well. I'll come back if I find something else. So I do have to end it from this spot. Unfortunately today I found a bottle cap. Don't know what bottle cap it was. Probably off one of them little green bottles. Another bolt there. That shovel. I've got my magnet in. So I'll bring it back, see if there's out on it before I pack up. Literally just thrown it in, so stuck it outside again though. So nothing on that one that time. So I really am gonna go now. So if you like it, thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down. Peace out.